Hello, hello. My name is Vanessa and my little business, I've got to stop rocking the table, is the Arc Shed. The Arc Shed has been going for a few years now, but it's been a little while. Like many people, it's taken some time to get going again since lockdown. But anyway, I wanted to come on, introduce myself, show you a couple of the things that or types of things that I'll be bringing to you at Hatton Shopping World from June. One thing I'm quite excited, well, I'm excited about all of it to be honest, but I'm really thrilled that I will be having a corner in the Bullpen Antiques and Interiors shop where I'll be displaying things that I have created or painted myself, that they will be for sale. And the other thing that I'm really looking forward to is bringing you workshops. I'm a decorative artist, so folk art, canal art, that type of thing. These are skills that you can be taught. So you can create, and I haven't brought my most favourite piece, which is a bit remiss of me. Do you know what? I'm going to run and get it. That wasn't a good start, was it? That's because I've been trying to record this now for a couple of hours and something keeps going wrong. Anyway, going back to canal art, on the painting side, you can do things like this. Decorative painting is very much about painting on objects. The other term used for doing such a thing is toll painting. So you can do cards, you can do pots, you can literally paint on anything. So if you get the bug, like I did, you need to let the family know to tie things down because you might paint them. Very floral. These are different strokes. That would be a round brush, a flat brush. You can do with a liner brush, even lace. So some beautiful things that you can learn to paint, and I can definitely show you how. So painting will be coming to you. One of the first things I will be bringing to you is Powertex. Powertex is amazing. So I'm a Powertex tutor in all four levels, so that includes fabric sculpting, 3D flex, stone art and mixed media. And the main ingredient, and you'll just have to excuse I use them a lot, is a Powertex medium, which is essentially a fabric hardener, but it also does so much more than that because you can make clay with it. It's a glue, you can paint with it, just amazing. And one of the things I really love is that quite often you will create things by recycling materials that you would otherwise throw away and will end up in landfill. Even with all the recycling that we have going on, so much of it still ends up in landfill. So for instance, going from a milk carton to a solid water tub. I make quite a few of these and I'm putting some more together. These are, I use them as water pots for the workshops, but actually you could use it for anything. You could use it as a planter or anything. So that's one thing from recycled materials. You can create sculptures. This is my Highland coo, Hamish. He's fantastic. Something like that's likely to be a 2-day thing. You've got to build the armature, then you put some clay on him, you need him to dry, then you're covering him in the fabric. That is a fabric called Power Cotton. Quite fiddly, but just so effective. How lovely is he? I decided he was a teenager because he won't cut his fringe. You can do figurines. That's a plaster bust, but the rest of this figure is fabric sculpting. Stone art, okay, I've got stone art on the brain. I love stone art, sorry. Powertex and most of the products associated with it, once they're dry, If you leave them for 3 weeks, they are then cured and become weatherproof. So you can make items for your garden, wall art, all sorts of things. So I just wanted to pop on and say hello, and to say I'm really looking forward. I'm going to be looking to do some taster workshops so that you get a feel of Powertex during June. And also I'll create something that is simple if you've never painted before, so that you get a feel of how the brushes work and what have you with the painting. But yeah, really looking forward. I do hope you will join me. Dates will be available hopefully sometime next week, and yeah, get booking. Okay, see you soon. Bye bye.